Did you know there's a Middle Eastern country where oil is not the main source of income? Welcome to Bahrain, a country full of secrets most people never talk about. What if I told you that Bahrain has no rivers? Yet it has freshwater springs under the sea. Yes, fresh water flowing from the ocean floor. Sounds impossible, right? Here's another shocker. Bahrain was once the center of the world's oldest civilization, even older than ancient Egypt. Historians believe this land was part of the legendary Dilmun civilization, mentioned in ancient texts as a paradise. And guess what? This modern Arab country has churches, temples, and mosques all standing peacefully together, a rare sight in the Middle East. But wait, did you know alcohol is legal in Bahrain? And it's one of the few Gulf countries with an active nightlife. Here's something even more surprising. Bahrain's passport allows visa-free access to dozens of countries, making it one of the strongest in the region. And the biggest hidden fact. Despite being one of the smallest countries in the Middle East, Bahrain plays a huge role in global finance, banking, and Formula One racing. So the question is Bahrain just a tiny desert island, or one of the most misunderstood countries in the world? Stay with us till the end because the next facts will completely change how you see Bahrain. Bahrain is a small island country located in the Middle East, in the western part of Asia. It lies in the Arabian Gulf, between Saudi Arabia and Qatar. Bahrain is actually a group of 33 islands, with a main island called Bahrain Island, where most of the population lives. The country is connected to Saudi Arabia by the King Fahd Causeway, making travel easy between the two nations. Even though Bahrain is one of the smallest countries in the Middle East, it holds great historical, cultural, and economic importance in the region. The capital of Bahrain is Manama, which is also the country's largest city and main business hub. Bahrain has a population of around 1.8 million people, including a large number of foreign residents from different countries. Bahrain covers a total land area of about 780 square kilometers, making it one of the smallest countries in the Middle East. The official currency is the Bahraini dinar, which is one of the strongest currencies in the world. The official language of Bahrain is Arabic. However, English is widely spoken and commonly used in business, education, and daily life. Bahrain's history is one of the oldest in the world. Thousands of years ago, it was part of the legendary Dilmun civilization, mentioned in ancient Mesopotamian texts as a land of trade and paradise. Because of its strategic location in the Arabian Gulf, Bahrain was ruled by many powerful empires. The Persians, Assyrians, and later the Portuguese all fought to control this island for trade and military power. In the 16th century, the Portuguese occupied Bahrain, but they were later defeated by Persian forces. By the late 1700s, the Al Khalifa family took control, and they still rule Bahrain today. Bahrain became a British protectorate in the 19th century, which shaped its modern political system. Finally, in 1971, Bahrain gained full independence from Britain and became a sovereign nation. One of the most important moments in Bahrain's history was the discovery of oil in 1932, making it the first Gulf country to find oil, a discovery that transformed its economy and future forever. Bahrain's culture is a unique mix of Arab traditions and modern lifestyle. People are known for being friendly, respectful, and welcoming, especially toward visitors. Family plays a very important role in Bahraini society. Respect for elders, hospitality, and generosity are deeply rooted traditions. Guests are often welcomed with Arabic coffee, gawa, and dates, which is a sign of honor. Islam strongly influences daily life, but Bahrain is also known for its religious tolerance. Different religions live together peacefully, which is rare in the region. Traditional clothing is still widely worn. Men often wear a white robe called a thobe, while women wear an abaya or hijab in public. At the same time, modern clothing is very common, especially among young people. Western-style clothes are normal in malls, offices, and tourist areas. Daily life in Bahrain is modern and relaxed compared to many other Gulf countries. People enjoy shopping malls, cafes, beach walks, and family gatherings. The workweek runs from Sunday to Thursday, and weekends are spent with family or friends. Life in cities like Manama feels fast and modern, while village life remains calm and traditional. Islam is the main religion in Bahrain, and the majority of the population is Muslim. Both Sunni and Shia Muslims live in the country, making Bahrain unique in the Gulf region. Despite religious differences, Bahrain is widely known for its religious tolerance and coexistence. People of different faiths practice their religions freely, and the government officially supports religious harmony. Along with Islam, other religions are also present due to the large expatriate population. These include Christianity, Hinduism, Sikhism, Judaism, and Buddhism. Bahrain is one of the few Middle Eastern countries where churches, temples, synagogues, and mosques exist side by side, showing peaceful coexistence. Bahraini food is a delicious blend of Arab, Persian, Indian, and African flavors, shaped by centuries of trade and culture. One of the most famous dishes is makbuz, considered Bahrain's national food. It is a flavorful rice dish cooked with spices, meat, chicken, lamb, or fish, and dried lime. Another popular dish is muhammar, a sweet rice dish often served with fried fish. Bahrainis also love hares, made from wheat and meat, especially during Ramadan. Seafood plays a big role in local cuisine because Bahrain is an island nation. Fresh fish, shrimp, and grilled seafood are commonly eaten. Street food is very popular in Bahrain and loved by locals and tourists alike. You'll find food stalls and small cafes selling shawarma, falafel, samosas, and kebabs. One local favorite is Bahraini kubs, flatbread, often eaten with tea or curry. Karak tea is extremely popular and enjoyed late at night across the country. From luxury restaurants to simple roadside stalls, food in Bahrain reflects its rich culture, warm hospitality, and love for flavor. Despite its small size, Bahrain is full of historic landmarks, modern attractions, and beautiful coastal spots. Manama, the capital city and heart of Bahrain, known for shopping malls, traditional souks, museums, and nightlife. Muharraq, a historic city famous for its old houses, pearling heritage, and cultural sites. Riffa, one of the largest cities, known for residential areas and the Bahrain National Stadium. Sit Town, popular for traditional markets and local lifestyle. Bahrain has one of the most diversified economies in the Gulf region, meaning it does not depend only on oil. The financial and banking sector is the backbone of Bahrain's economy. Manama is a major financial hub for the Middle East. Other important industries include oil refining, not oil production, aluminum manufacturing, one of the largest aluminum producers in the region, tourism and hospitality, trade, logistics and shipping, information technology and startups. Because of its open economy, Bahrain offers many job opportunities for foreign workers, especially in finance, construction, IT, and services. Bahrain's main natural resources are oil and natural gas, but in limited quantities compared to other Gulf countries. This is why Bahrain focused early on diversifying its economy. The sea is also an important resource, especially for fishing and pearls, which played a major role in Bahrain's past. The average monthly income in Bahrain ranges between $2,000 to $3,000, depending on profession and experience. Salaries are generally tax-free, which makes Bahrain attractive for professionals. Overall, Bahrain offers a stable economy, modern job market, and business-friendly environment. Bahrain has a well-developed education and healthcare system, ranking among the best in the Gulf region. Education in Bahrain is free for citizens at government schools and follows a modern curriculum. The system includes primary, secondary, and higher education. Bahrain is home to several well-known universities, including University of Bahrain, Arab Open University, Royal University for Women. Many international schools follow British, American, and IB systems, making Bahrain attractive for expatriate families. Bahrain has a high literacy rate of over 95%, showing strong focus on education and learning. Bahrain offers high-quality healthcare services, both public and private. Government hospitals provide free or low-cost treatment for citizens. Private hospitals and clinics are modern, well-equipped, and staffed by international doctors. Emergency services are efficient, and health insurance is widely used. Overall, Bahrain provides safe, advanced, and reliable education and healthcare, supporting a high quality of life. Even though Bahrain is a small island country, it has a modern and well-connected transportation system. Bahrain has a network of well-maintained highways and roads. The main cities like Manama, Muharraq, and Riffa are connected by smooth multi-lane roads. Traffic can get busy during peak hours, but driving is generally safe and convenient. The King Fahd Causeway links Bahrain to Saudi Arabia, making cross-border travel easy. Bahrain has a public bus system, which is affordable but limited in coverage. Many locals and visitors prefer taxis, ride-hailing apps like Uber and Careem, or private cars. Currently, Bahrain does not have a metro or train system, but the government is planning future projects to improve mass transit. Overall, transportation in Bahrain is modern, fast, and convenient, especially for a country of its size. And that's a wrap on Bahrain, a tiny island with a huge story full of hidden facts, rich history, and amazing culture. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. I want to hear from you. Which hidden fact about Bahrain surprised you the most? Or if you visited, what's your favorite place in Bahrain? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing travel facts from around the world.